Hello and welcome to this beginner's guided meditation. Today we'll be exploring the power of your breath and the wonders of visualization. If you're new to meditation, don't worry, this is a perfect place to start. Through this practice, you'll learn how to connect with your breath and focus your mind, allowing you to find a sense of calm and inner peace. You'll also discover the magic of visualization, a powerful tool to help you access your inner creativity and imagination. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Whichever is most comfortable and feels most natural to you. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, release any tension or stress that you may be holding in your body. Know that it's okay if you can't inhale or exhale for more than a second or two. The more you practice deep breathing, the easier it'll become. For now, just breathe in a way that feels natural to you. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Keep breathing slowly and deeply throughout this meditation to relax your body and calm your mind. Begin to focus your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. You can focus on the sensation of the breath at your nostrils. Perhaps you have a soft whistle like I do, or your chest or abdomen. Just pick one spot and gently observe the sensation of the breath. As you focus on your breath, you may notice that your mind starts to drift away at times. This is completely normal. When you notice that your mind has wandered, simply bring your attention back to your breath. Try not to judge yourself or get frustrated. Just kindly bring your attention back. And welcome the soothing sensation of your breath and how it nourishes your body. As you inhale, imagine yourself taking in peace and calm. And as you exhale, imagine yourself releasing any tension or stress. Feel your body slowing down and relaxing. Allow your breath to become slower and deeper, and let your body sink into a state of complete relaxation. Now, shift your focus to your mind's eye, which is just the place inside of our heads where we can visualize images. Begin to paint a picture in your mind of yourself sitting on a bench in a beautiful garden, surrounded by tall grass and breathtaking flowers. The sun is shining and the breeze is blowing gently against your skin. The air around you is filled with the sweet and lively sound of birds singing. Feel yourself becoming at peace with nature, feeling grateful for this moment of connection and harmony. Allow yourself to fully experience the sense of calm and relaxation that comes with it. As you continue to breathe, release any thoughts or worries that may be on your mind. Allow them to flow out of you every time you exhale. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed and more at ease. As we come to the end of this meditation, give yourself a hug, letting your body know you are safe and you embrace the peace and serenity that surrounds you. Take a final deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel before getting up and going on with your day. Remember that you can always come back to this peaceful place whenever you need to. As with any new skill, learning to quiet the mind and focus on the present moment takes practice. So be patient with yourself and commit to making meditation a regular part of your routine. Each time you meditate, you strengthen your ability to be present and find peace within. Have a good day, and namaste.
Thank you so much for watching. If you find any value in this content, please like, share and subscribe.